Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today also we have given some update in the indicator. So here you can see in the indicator we have the following contents. Every day when you come to trade, you please come to this indicator settings and give a reset button. So now what we have added extra today is we have given these features, and this is called the self-explanatory section. So here I have given, if you keep your cursor on this I button, that is the information button, it will tell you use this to change time from like 4 hours, day, week or month. So here it will show you use this method for Heikin-Ashi based calculation. Here it will show you enable this every day with the default setting for buy entry. So likewise, we have given information self-explanatory section for all the content. So today I will show you the performance of few scripts. So as you all know, we are trading mostly in crude oil as well as in the bank nifty. So now how the market will be looking. So initially I will be resetting to the default set mode. So now market has opened somewhere here. So market has opened here. This is the market opening range. We all know about our strategy. It is very simple. Before I explain, if is there anyone who is watching our channel first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our free Telegram group, so that we will whatever updates we are giving, you will be getting immediately. Thank you for your subscription and your support. Now let's start. So we already people who has watched our videos, they all know our strategy. It is very simple. When market has opened in this range, we have to wait either market to reach this level or this level. Okay, the top line or the bottom line. Whichever side triggers first, we have to trade in that level. If sell gets activated, we have to remove the buy. If buy gets activated, we have to remove the sell. Then we have to enable the corresponding target and SL. So this is our trade. Now what happened? In the morning, the high made was 5902 and our sell entry is 5901. So exactly our sell entry got activated. So now what we have to do? Now we have to go here and remove the first buy entry and enable the first sell targets and remove second sell entry. So now you can see first sell SL. So I'm enabling this. Now one thing you can notice here, second buy entry price was 5927 and the first sell SL also 5927. If you don't want to overlap this, then you can simply remove either second buy entry or first sell SL. Okay, both are same. Now we have taken the entry at 5901 and we have to wait for the target. First target means 5874. See, exactly it got triggered and immediately we got our target. In the same candle, we have got our target. So if you are a small trader and looking for only first target, your trade got over within 15 minutes of the day. So next one, again it went up. Again it has given one more entry, once again target hit. Once again second target hit. Then it has reached the third target and we missed the third target by 3 points. So by 3 points we missed our third target. So this is our trade, it got over. Suppose if you are an aggressive trader, you want to trade again and again, then what you can do? Go here, enable the first buy entry. First buy and first buy SL. So when you are going for on the same day reverse entry, what you can do, you can keep in Heikin-Ashi format, this Heikin-Ashi, or you can keep in the weekly time frame because you are going to take extra trade. Okay, As per the strategy, if sell activated, no buy. If buy activated, no sell. But since market is in range, right? If it is a range market, we can trade in both side. See here, our buy got activated here 5839. The first low was 5836. So immediately our target got hit. Then once again it is activated, again our target hit. So two times sell side target hit and two times buy side target hit. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. So next one I show you today. For example, copper I show you. So what you have to do initially, we have to keep in default settings. So now what happened to market? See here, market has opened here. So we have to wait either to market reach the sell side first or the buy side first. Whichever side gets activated, in that side only we have to trade. Other side we have to ignore. This is the static rule. So now what happened? See here. So the buy got activated exactly. So this is our buy entry. See the low 737.25 is the low and our buy entry also 737.25. Exactly our buy entry got activated. Okay. Yesterday also buy activated, target hit. Again from sell side to buy side, target hit. Okay. So now buy got activated. Now we have to remove the sell entry. So go to indicator settings and remove the sell entry, second buy entry, all other entries you can remove and enable first buy targets and first buy SL. See here, immediately our first target hit. Immediately our first target hit, then second target hit, then third target also hit. Then it has given small retracement, again third target, and it has reached the fourth target also. So all targets hit in the buy entry. So this is how we have to trade. Now I show you one more example. Where is nickel? One more example I show you for the loss. I am not saying loss will never come. Loss will come, but we can recover the loss on the same day. So in the same day means how to recover the same day stop loss. See here. So what I have to give, I'm making default settings. So what happened now? We have to wait either to market reach first this side or first this side. Now what happened? Market has reached down to buys entry only. The buy entry was at 155 1554. 1554 is our buy entry, but the low made was 1555. So we missed the entry by 1 point. So 1 point is equal to 1500 rupees. But we have given the advice to take extra risk of 300 rupees. 300 to 500 rupees is okay. Okay, it is acceptable. But 1500 it is not acceptable. So we will consider buy is not activated. Okay, if you are a risky trader, even with 1 point also you can take. Otherwise what you can do, you can go here and select 4 hours time frame and just give a check. Okay, this happens 1 or 2 days only, not every day. Suppose market is struggling not to come down. So here we have got one candle. So this candle is signifies the movement of bullish. Okay, what is the movement of bullish? This candle. So this candle is showing the rejection of seller. Okay, this candle, it is an indication of rejection of seller, which means what? There is a high possibility of going upside. So in such situation, you can change the time frame to 4 hours. You can take the entry. But what I will do, as of now, I will not consider that buy has been activated. I will consider buy is not activated. Now what we will be doing? We will be taking sell entry at 1564.2. So immediately our SL got hit. Immediately our SL got hit. So what is our strategy? If SL hit, we have to take double lot. Okay, double lot buy at the price of 1571.3. That is from second buy. So consider I have taken two lot. Why two lot? One lot to recover the loss and one lot to make the profit for the day. So I'm enabling second buy targets. So now what happened, you see, still it is going up only. Okay, so now I got loss of this range and immediately I recovered my loss. I booked my profit of two lot and I exited the market. Suppose if you are holding for further targets, see full range. How many points you have got the profit? From 1571 to 1606. Almost 30 plus points, 35 plus points you have got the profit. Though we have booked the loss in the first entry, but we have recovered the loss and we are in a profit at the end of the day. So this is the beauty of our strategy and this is the beauty of our indicator. So it will give you a clear knowledge what to do. If you are in loss, what to do? If you are in a profit, what to do? So today I have shown you three examples, one in crude oil, one in copper and another one in nickel. So in both the scenario I have explained to you. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple to understand. If first sell activated, cancel the buy. If first buy activated, cancel the sell. If in sell said target hit, close the trade for the day. That's all. If buy said target hit, close the trade for the day. That's all. Your trade got over. Suppose if SL hit like in nickel today, okay, first sell got activated and immediately our SL hit. Then we have to go for the second buy. So in second buy, all the targets are over. So this is the default one. So this you have to follow every day without any change. So next you see Nifty. So people are very interested in indices, no? Nifty also. Today morning what happened? Market has opened here. Market has not come down. It has reached the upper side. So immediately our sell entry got activated and we have to enable the targets. First sell targets, first sell SL. So these points I have to enable. See here perfectly all the three targets has been achieved. So here it has given retracement. Once again it has taken the resistance of our entry place. Then it has fallen. So all the three targets accurately achieved. So the last target was 364 and low made was 17,360. Not even 1 point is missed. Exactly all our targets have been achieved. So this is how you have to trade. It is very simple. So people who have not subscribed to our indicator, please subscribe. Soon we are going to stop our lifetime validity. So we are going to give on monthly rental basis for lifetime. Every month you will have to pay. If you're not renewing, your indicator will not be available for your usage. Whoever has purchased for lifetime validity, they need not to pay any amount for lifetime. Lifetime it will be free for them until any changes comes from the trading website. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please recommend our videos and our indicator to your trading friends. For any doubts, you can ask us and you can call us on 9500009154. So this is the only one authorized channel partner we are having. There is no partners, there is no sub dealers for MST Icor 2.0. If people are telling that they are from MST School of Trading, don't believe them. So directly contact our official number 9500009154. Thank you all. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will clarify your doubts. Tomorrow I will post one more video on two strategy I will share about Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty, the same strategy can be used for any other script, but it is mostly used for the Bank Nifty. Thank you all.